This here is a prickly pear paddle. It is a cactus. You will find this in the United States at Hispanic supermarkets. Most of the time they will sell it to you with the spines on, and you're going to have to remove those, scrape them off with a knife. I washed it and now I'm gonna slice it and divide it into 2 bags and freeze it for smoothies. Okay, I'm gonna freeze it and we'll make some very healthy smoothies. We're gonna be using coconut water for this recipe. Make sure when you buy it that it's only coconut water and doesn't have added sugar to it. So I put 8 ounces into my blender already. This drink, it's a great detoxifier, but it's also excellent for hangovers. Nopal is a great anti-inflammatory. It's got a ton of fiber. It is full of antioxidants, and it's great for controlling the glucose in your blood. We're gonna use 2 of the baggies that we froze previously, which is 1 whole paddle. Coconut water is a great source of potassium. It's gonna hydrate your body. It is also going to restore your electrolytes. So this is why this is so good for hangovers. We're gonna add cucumber. Cucumbers are full of antioxidants and they hydrate your body. They're also full of nutrients. So also another good thing when you're having a hangover. Finally, I'm going to squeeze a whole lemon in here. You can use lime or lemon, that's fine. Of course, lemon, tons of vitamin C, a great detoxifier. It'll help you boost your immune system and it'll clean you up. So this is a good thing. I have enough here, of course, for 2 smoothies. Guys, again, you can drink this anytime you want. It is very good for you. And it's deliciously refreshing. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.